हेलो फ्रेंड्स।
हाय।
तो अभी हम खेलने जा रहे हैं एक गेम। ठीक है, मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, उसके आंसर देने हैं।
किसको देने हैं?
मुझे देने हैं। ठीक है।
नहीं, क्वेश्चन तुम पूछोगी
हाँ,
और
मैं
आंसर भी
क्वेश्चन
तुम
पूछूंगी, आपको आंसर देना है।
हाँ तो हाँ, ठीक है।
लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके। विच इंग्लिश लेटर इज अ क्वेश्चन? थिंक। विच इंग्लिश लेटर इज अ क्वेश्चन?
लेटर और वर्ड
लेटर।
तीनों का आंसर चला। क्यों?
क्यों? हाउ इट्स अ क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन।
विच इंग्लिश लेटर
लेटर इज अ क्वेश्चन।
व्हाई?
Which English letter is a vegetable? Think. Tell. Okay, shall I tell you? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು. Shall I tell you?
Don't tell the answer.
Okay.
You will tell it.
Later I will tell. Okay, now which English letter is a bug? Bug.
Lady.
What lady? Letter
Letter
is a bug.
bug. B.
Think of it. Which letter is a line?
L.
Line. How L is line?
Line. I.
No. Think. No.
One line, right?
Line.
L-I-O-N.
L-I-N-E. Line.
Which English letter is a line?
Think.
Don't tell the answer.
Okay, I will not tell you. Okay, next question. Which English letter is a exclamation? Which
Exclamation marks.
English letter is a exclamation?
I.
Stop.
I.
Stop.
Exclamation.
It's I only.
No. Outside.
Don't tell the answer.
Question mark.
Then who will tell them?
Question mark.
No. Shall I tell?
No.
Oh.
I told
Which English letter is a body part? Which English letter is a body
I-
part?
I-
Ah, correct. Very good, Advik. Which English letter is found in water? Which English letter is found in water?
W.
No.
O.
No. Think, Advik, think.
Which
C.
Yeah, correct. Which English letter is for winner sign?
W.
No. Winner sign.
V.
Yeah. How they will show? Correct. Which English letter is used for blocking?
Blocking. B.
Blocking. 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 Which letter is used for blocking?
Blocking. I think
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
C. V.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐತಿ.
Cross.
ಏನಂತ?
O.
ನೋ.
Or X.
ಎಕ್ಸ್.
X.
Blocking.
Okay.
No, unless it's a danger sign actually.
ಓಕೆ.
Dangerous.
Okay,
Or
which
not
now next question. Which English letter is a vegetable?
Already done.
No, we have not given answer.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Vegetable.
ನಾ ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್. Shall I tell you?
No, let me try.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
URSTUVW. Z.
P.
What?
Which English letter is a line?
Line.
Think, Advik.
I-N-E.
ಓ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್?
Line.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T.
Oh, lemon.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
Huh?
Q.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh my God. Okay, thank you friends. Say bye.
Bye.